Hi, I'm Janelle with bareMinerals, and today I'm going to talk to you about a new product that we've developed, Nude Patent Lip Lacquer. This is a super high shine 3D effect that actually makes your lips look fuller. I'm going to first show you my favorite mauve, and this is called Everything. And since here at bareMinerals, we make colors for every skin tone, I want to show you some mauve shades on some other skin tones. Now I'm going to show you my favorite of the pink category called Darling. They're just as moisturizing as they are shiny. I absolutely love the way they feel on your lip. And now we're going to see the pinks. So now I'm going to show you a peach that's darker than my skin tone. The next one I'm going to show you is our beige category. Now that you've seen our range of shades, I know you'll find one for you.